and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to replace the damper in the boot of your E60. Okay, dead quick video for you today. Since picking up the 5 Series, I've the first time I opened the boot, it nearly took my head off. It was ridiculous. It just flung open, bounced around off the hinges, and I thought it was going to bust the back window or something like that. I got really excited. So today I'm going to show you just quickly how to change the damper, the sprung damper in the boot, with a nice new one, which I've just pulled out of the packaging. Simple as that. You just literally remove some stuff in the boot. But I'll show you through it now. Once the side panel's removed, you can see the battery and the location. So the battery's down there, and the location of the spring that we're going to be replacing today for the nice new one. A quick measure up just to make sure that it is definitely the right part and it's the right size. Looks good. So you're going to need the pliers, and there's a little circlip just on the end. Just going to move in just so you can get a better look, but there's the clip right at the end just there, and as you can see it's just hooked over on that arm right there. So you want to begin by removing that clip. Yeah, it can be on there quite tight, that one, so you got to just persevere with it. And then it's simply just a case of sliding it off its mount. But you've got to remember to brace the boot lid, because the second you take that off, it's going to fall on your head, so you don't want that. So I've just got this piece of wood, and I'm just going to brace the boot lid just to support the weight of it, so it doesn't kill me. And it really does come off as simply and as quickly as that. Once you've done that, just support your deck lid, and you can go further inside and just slide it off its mount on the inside. You can see that once I've got it off, if you compare to the new one, you can see that the rubber seal, which is supposed to be, containing the oil or whatever's in there, has actually come completely off the original one, which was absolutely giving it no resistance at all, which is why it was like a death trap. When you opened it up, it was like it was trying to kill you. Refitting is exact opposite of removal, nice and easy. Here's a better view from the inside. You can see the shape of the mount on the inside. It just literally just hooks on and slides in, and then it's just a case of lining it up like that. And then inserting the clip back on to hold it all together. Now I took the weight of the deck lid on my shoulder, which allowed me just to slot it on, and then just with your fingers you can easily just slide that clip on until it clicks, and it's done. Then it's just a case of refitting all your bits of trim and your carpet back into your boot, and then you're done. I think it actually takes you longer to put all these bits of trim back in than it does to actually do the swap.
Once all that's back together, all we're going to do is test.